All right, so the brand sent me this office chair to check out, and I have to say, it is actually very comfortable. It's been a really nice addition to my home office. It looks like a pretty standard office chair at first, but once you get up close, the leather and the stitching, it actually has a much nicer feel to it. The leather is really soft, and the stitching on mine has been very nice. It looks very nice. I love the crisscross diamond pattern they put like on the seat and the back, because to me it just gives it that luxury office chair look without being really overly bulky, which I really appreciate. Now the seat itself is really nice and cushioned, and the back gives you that built-in support. One of my favorite features though is definitely these arms or armrests. They're very padded. They're the same soft leather, so they're actually comfortable to rest your arm on. But if you don't want them, they flip completely out of the way, so you're not stuck with these big fixed arms getting in your way when you're trying to move the chair closer to your desk, or even sometimes if you're like me, you want to sit crisscross applesauce. So it also rolls really nicely. The wheels on mine move very slowly, which is nice if you're at a desk where you're constantly moving to grab something, maybe from a printer or another part of your workspace. I do have multiple monitors that I work from. So of course it is adjustable. There's a lever underneath the chair to raise and lower the seat, so you can adjust the height depending on your desk and your workspace and what you're using the chair for. And I will say assembly was really easy on this one. The instructions were simple to follow. Everything was labeled well enough. They had things labeled like front and left, right. So I wasn't sitting there trying to figure out which direction something was supposed to face or go. You basically just start with the base of the chair. You bolt on the 5 legs, put the wheels into those, and then there's a center pole that goes into the middle of that base. Then you're ready for the seat portion. Both the seat itself and the piece with the height adjustment lever is marked front, so you line those front markings up. They have pre-drilled holes, and you just bolt everything together. After that, the seat goes on to the base, and you're really just down to the arms and the back, which was really easy because the arms and back just bolt on to the seat, and the arms just bolt onto the back to hold the back on. And from there, you're pretty much ready to go. So overall, this has been a really nice office chair. If you want something comfortable for a home office, this one is a great option. All right, the link to grab this one is down in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. And if you found this one helpful, please go ahead and give me a follow and like so you don't miss any of our next reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.